Yeah, welcome back. Another day. We got work today. Just finished raining. As you can see, the ground, everything's all soaking wet. Had the trailer propped up so it wouldn't have any standing water in it. As we do every morning, come out and do a walk around with the trailer. Check our tires. That one's very low. That one's good. Good. We come over to the other side. That one's good. That one's good. Not that one. So the first thing we got to do is air up some tires, and we'll get ready to get on the road. Our first stop is going to be Silver Creek Materials. Go pick up some compost, and it's going to be muddy. It rained for a few hours. It'll be nothing but mud over there. Anyhow, let me get this tire aired up, get the trailer down, and we'll get it on the road. Well, now it's a matter of just waiting 5-10 minutes. I put 90 pounds of air in these tires. They call for, I don't know, around 115, 112 PSI. I don't see a reason to run that high. Once I'm running around with a load in the trailer, I usually heat up, gain another 5 to 10 PSI. Anyhow, get these tires aired up, and we'll get on the road. Well, we got tires all aired up. We're on the road. Everything's still wet. At least it's done raining, and we're not stopping for that light. I wouldn't have been able to stop anyhow. The trailer and stuff, wet roads. I just slid right through it. Anyhow, we're on our way to get loaded. Alright, we've made it to Silver Creek Materials. Gonna pick up 4.5 yards of compost. Wall around back here in the mud. The truck ain't gonna be white for long. Get up here in the tarping area. Go ahead and put it in 4-wheel drive. Got plenty of traction right here. But the area that we're going to get loaded, we're not gonna have any traction. Follow that road grader down here. Guess he's just out here for push the real sloppy areas out of the main road drive area. Still have good traction down here. This area that we're coming up to, we got a hill to climb. Chances are it'll be slick, but that's why we're in 4-wheel drive. Still got plenty of traction. Call them up, let them know what we need. That's Dion with DNA Haulers. I need to pick up 4.5 yards of compost. Yes, sir. We're getting loaded now. They don't waste any time. Fixing to short me a little bit. Thank you, sir. Usually all this is slop. This hill, it can be fairly slick, nasty. All right, we're at the tarping area. Take it out of 4-wheel drive. We're on our way out of here. Customer quick text, an ETA.
Head northeast.
11:05. Well, we're finally back out on the road. Work our way over to the customer's house.
In a quarter mile, turn right on Wonderwhy. Then your destination will be on the left.
Alright, we're pulling up on the customer's address. The one there with all the American flags. call and let him know. Okay, he's on his way. I need to find out if I need to back in.
We'll dump that, by the way, just one big pile back there.
Okay. I pulled up radar and just one big line coming up. Yeah, you know, this one shouldn't take too long.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, went through a little bit quicker than I was expecting.
Yeah, I didn't know. That's why we were just going to monitor it, you know?
Yep. All right, what we're doing, back in all the way up the driveway. There's room to turn around up there, but it's easier just to back it in. All that back and forth stuff, and it's basically to try to miss the mailbox that's on the opposite side of the road and not fall off the side of his driveway. He's got a pretty big drop off. And we got one more obstacle there. Around the tree and missed the car. Well, that wasn't too bad, except for getting around that one tree.
Yeah, that's.
I'm trying to stay out of it.
Like the mailbox.
Yeah.
I when we put it in there, I'm like, oh, that's far enough away from the gate. I had no idea that it wasn't quite where I hoped it would be.
Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video.
Okay.
And that's one thing I put on there. I'm getting my butt kicked trying to back into the driveway. And then once it got the front of the truck around, I said, there's why I'm have a hard time dodging is when there's a mailbox on the other side of the road. And then, of course, in that tree, trying to get this thing to cooperate with me.
Not as easy as that.
Bumper pull, piece of cake.
Yeah, I can back mine up here with the bumper. I'm not any good at backing up, but I can do the bumper. This one, I wouldn't want to try.
I had to learn.
Like 42 times.
When I switched to a gooseneck, I had to learn how to back a trailer all over again. It was a big difference.
Probably as short as this one is. If it's like a horse trailer, it'd probably be not quite as bad because of the length. You'd be able to see the.
What gets me is this thing. It won't start turning until the rear end of the truck actually starts moving over.
That's true.
Where a bumper pull, as soon as you turn the steering wheel, your hitch is back there on the back of the vehicle.
Yep.
It immediately starts moving and it'll react quick. This thing, it don't react quick at all. And sometimes that bites me. Other times, not a problem. They're going down the road. Oh, I'll take a gooseneck over a bumper pull any day. It's just, backing in, it's a whole nother.
Oh, wow, this is wearing out, huh?
Oh, yeah. Both sides. And only thing I can figure is sand and rock, whatever, being slung up and just eating it from the bottom side, I guess.
Yeah, because it wouldn't be rust.
Got rust underneath this thing, but yeah, that's the only thing.
No, in order to eat through that fast, because this trailer's just a couple years old, right?
No, it's about 5 years old now.
Yeah, but still, 5 years for that gauge of steel?
Yeah,
I
think it's just constantly sandblasted.
Somehow between these two wheels, it's coming off of there and then getting slung. I don't know. Somehow it's ricocheting right up on those front two wheels.
That's the only thing I can figure it is. You fixing a plant, a garden?
Yeah, we're going to do a garden, and then we have some low spots out there that we're going to use to fill in. But yeah, we'll do a garden all in this area.
Got you. That'll be interesting to see how much is still in there.
All right, grab a shovel. You're Johnny on the spot.
Yeah, when the bed's wet, nothing usually wants to slide out.
Oh, looks like pretty good dirt.
Oh yeah.
Know when you're looking at a picture whether you're going to get all wood or not, but it looked like it had enough fines in it.
Yeah. The other one, I don't haul a lot of this one. It's usually the premium.
Yeah.
It's a little bit cheaper than this, and everybody's had great results with it as well.
Yeah, it looked a little more sandy, and I've had topsoil before that just was 2/3 sand. And so I decided, well, you know what? We're growing veggies. Might as well grab the organic one, man.
Gotcha.
Whether it's truly organic or not, how would I know?
I don't make
2 piles of the same stuff, right?
Probably.
Charge one for
That wouldn't surprise me.
Wouldn't surprise me at all.
But they're premium. It doesn't have a whole lot of sand in it.
Okay. I just couldn't tell by the picture.
No, I mean, there's another premium that I get from another supplier.
Yeah.
It's majority sand. It's got some other compost or something mixed in it, but a lot of it's majority sand.
Well, that's probably what I'd had at previous time. So I was like, I'll just take this one and it'll work.
I try to get good pictures. The pictures I did have online.
No, that was a good picture.
And then I went out and just recently and done all new pictures again.
Now the driveway turned out all right.
Down there at the bottom?
No, here.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
You put all that in.
that's right. I forgot about that.
Yeah, you put all of that in. It packed down pretty good.
It's doing great.
I got a meeting I got to get
Oh,
to.
no problem.
All right. Well, take care, Dion.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Dion, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I said it and I was like, wait, is that right? Yes.
Is this the right guy?
All right, thanks, Dion.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh, you're
Yeah. I'm going to pull that away from the pile. Okay. Alright, well, that was a nice, easy one. Except for getting in off the street and backing around that one tree. The reason that gave me some trouble. I'll have to get this all closed up. Work our way down. Way down out the driveway. And we're done. Thanks for watching. getting around this one tree here. Give me a hard time. Nowhere close to the tree, I still want to drive off into the yard. Some people don't like that. I guess he'll come back down here and get his gate closed.